I've been very interested in ocean ecosystems and habitats, and every time as I get older, I go to more parks and more oceans, and I see how people are they don't care about anything. They throw trash everywhere, everything's dying. So I saw in my school they were putting up posters for this program, and I saw it and I read it, and I thought it was really interesting, and it was something I wanted to do.
I saw that the ocean was like dying, like in the summer. And you know, I felt like I couldn't do anything about it, but like with the program, I can at least help like plant some more corals. I saw them dying. They were all bleached white, colorless. I want to bring back the color.
My favorite part is definitely the diving, but also the experiences with the friends I have. Everybody I have in here in the program we became close friends. It's like a family.
The first dive, like when we were in the pool and we had to go under, like it felt crazy. Like the instructor told us that we will always remember our first breath underwater, and I definitely do. And it felt so unreal. I'm like, oh my gosh, I'm really underwater breathing.
I hope to get a lot of scuba diving experience because I want to go into something later in my life, a career in that. Mainly probably underwater photography because I really like photography. You know, something else in marine biology maybe.
You would get a certification. So second, I'll get experience, and also I'll get a head start on my college. Because to be in my field, or if I want to put on my resume a certification and my experiences, it will boost up my competition or lower it if any chance. That way I will be able to get admitted more easier or submitted into colleges.
I love to travel the world, and it would be amazing if I could go diving places across the world, not just in the United States or in Florida.